In this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to import your QuickBooks data into TurboTax Online quickly and accurately. First, log into your TurboTax Online account. Go to Federal Taxes, Wages and Income, then look for the QuickBooks Import option. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account when prompted and allow TurboTax to access your data. Select the company and fiscal year you want to import. TurboTax will automatically pull in income, expenses, and deductions from QuickBooks. Review the imported data carefully to make sure everything matches your records. Once verified, you can continue your tax filing as usual. TurboTax will categorize your transactions and fill in the appropriate forms automatically. And that's how to import QuickBooks data into TurboTax Online 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast accounting tutorials.